Dear students, today in this class we are going to discuss about Danda Samas. Already we have discussed about Samasa, divisions of Samasa, Tatpurush Samasa, next Bohubrihi Samasa, Abhyabhav Samasa and Danda Samasa. Students, you have no need according to your syllabus Bohubrihi Samasa. Therefore, you are asked to skip the Bohubrihi Samasa. Okay? We are going to discuss Danda Samasa. Okay? Now you see in the share Danda Samasa. Danda Samas में दो पदों के माध्यम में व च और अथवा आता है, इसलिए द्वंद्व समास उभय पदार्थ प्रधान होता है। यथा धर्मः स अर्थः स धर्मार्थो। यह पूर्व पद धर्मः और उत्तर पद अर्थः इन दोनों की ही प्रधानता हो है। It means in Danda Samasa between the words the word sa comes. Okay, in example already you have given dharmaha cha arthaha cha. When the cha word comes, that samas will be known as Danda Samaha. In between the words sa means Danda Samasa. This is simple. Okay, now you see other examples. Horihi cha hori horo. In this example, hori horo, horihi sa haraha sa hori horo. Horihi cha haraha cha hori horo. Isa Krishna. Isa sa Krishna sa. Between the words sa comes. Shiva Kesavo. Shiva sa Kesava sa. In Dvachan. All samasta pada will come in Dvachan. Okay. Mata sa Pita sa Mata Pitaro. Pani cha Pado cha Echang Pani Padam. Panipadam word is in Napumsakling. Okay. Next, Siraha sa Gribaha sa Anaya Samaharaha Sira Gribam. Baksa Taksa Anayoha Samaharaha Baktatam. Okay. These are the examples of Danda Samasa. Students, here our Samasa chapter is completed. Next, I am going to discuss about the Tatpurush Samasa, examples of Tatpurush Samasa, Abhyabhav Samasa and Danda Samasa as per our exam syllabus. Okay. Now you see Sadhit Udaharanam Tatpurush Samasa first of all given. I am sending this in PDF. Okay, in your MMPF. Supakaraha Pujanam Pachanti. The bold in this example, the bold word is asked to write in Tatpurush Samasa. What will be the four option is given here? Supang karoti iti te, supang kurbanti iti te, supanang kurbanti iti te, supang kurbanti iti te. Okay. Among these examples, the right answer will be supang karoti iti te. Next, ahang devadhipatihi chakraha asmi. Devanam adhipatihi, devabham adhipatihi, devaya adhipatihi, devat adhipatihi. Here right answer will be Devanam Adhipatihi. Daiva Gatihi. Number 3. Visitra Bhavati. Devanam Gatihi. Devat Gatihi. Devasya Gatihi. Devaya Gatihi. Devasya Gatihi. Daiva Gatihi. This is in Shasti Tatpurusha Samasa. The first word in which vibhakti will be, that will be the, in that vibhakti the samasa will be here. As like the first, in first one you see supang karoti, supang word is in ditya vibhakti, therefore that samasa will be in ditya tatpuro. Devanam adhipatihi, it will be in Devanam Shasti tatpurush. Next Devasya Gatihi, it will be also in Shasti. Okay, as like that Satya Samam Tapaha Nasti. All the bold words are asked to write in Samasa. Okay, here Satyena Samam, Satyasya Samam, Satyat Samam, Satyaya Samam. The right answer will be Satyena Samam, Ditya Tatpuro. Aham Bhavataha Saranam Agata. Here the Vigraha Vakya is given here, Saranam Agata. You are asked to write the Samastabad. What will be the Samastabad? 4 option is given here. Saranagata, Saranagata, Saranegata, Saranagata. Here the right answer will be Saranagata. Sarve Chatraha Prataha Vidyalayam Gachanti. Vidyayaha Alayam, Vidyasya Alayam, Vidyalayaya Alayam, Vidyayoy Alayam. Here the right answer will be Vidyayaha Alayam. Kukilahe Amrasya Brikshe Sthitva Panchamaswarena Gayoti. Amrasya Brikshe word is in Vigraha Vakya. The Samastapad will be in among the 4 option you see Amra Brikshe, Amraya Brikshe, Brikshaya, Amranang Brikshayam, Amrat Brikshat. The right answer will be Amra Brikshe. Porihiyate Vidyalaya Gamana Vela. Vidyalayasya Gamana Vela. Vidyalaya Gamana Vela. Vidyalaya Gamana Vela. Vidyalayam Gamana Vela. Here the right answer will be Vidyalayasya Gamana Vela. Next question number 9. Unnatha Rajakule Nivedayisami. Rajakule, Raigaha Kule, Raja Kule, Rajam Kule. The right answer will be Raigaha Kule. Next question number 10. Himalayaha Bharatasya Gaurabamasti. Bharata Gaurabam, Bharata Gaurabam, Bharatam Gauraba, Bharata Gaurabam, Gauraba Bharata, Bharatasya Gauraba. Right answer will be Bharata Gauravam. Saha Madandhaha Asti. Here among the 4 options the right answer will be Madena Andhaha. Next, Sadaiva Sada Sarasya Palaniyaha. Among the 4 options here the right answer will be Satang Asaraha Sadasaraha. Question number 13. Asatthama Drona Putraha Asit. Dronat Putraha, Dronaya Putraha, Dronasya Putraha, Droniputraha. Among the 4 options, the right answer will be Dronasya Putraha. Next, Bhavan Kim Upadeyam, Guru Vachanam. Here you are asked to write the word Guru Vachana in Samasa. Guru Vachanam. One word is in Hrasya Ukar and another word is in Dirgha Ukar. Next, Guruhu Vachanam, Guru Vachanam. Here the right answer will be Guruhu Vachanam. Okay. Next question number 15. Aham Kalaha Vishasya Atma Asmi. Visatma, Vishetma, Visheshatma, Vishe Atma. And here the right answer will be Visatma. Next question number 16. भारतभूमिः वीरजननी अस्ति वीराः जननी वीराणां जननी वीरस्य जननी वीरेषु जननी. Here the right answer will be Kha Veeranang Janani. These are the examples of Tatpurush Samasa. Next you see Tyaga Samam Sukham na asti. Tyaga Samam Sukham na asti. Here Tyaga Samam word Tyagena Samam, one word is in Dantanna and another word is Tyagena, more than anna samam. Tyagat samam, tyagoi samam. Among these words, the right answer will be Tyagena samam. In here, Dantanna will be held. Next, question number 18. Karnaha Radhayaha Putraha Asit. Among the four options, the right answer will be Radha Putraha. Question number 19. Saha Pragyahinaha Asti. Here, Pragyahinaha will be the right answer. As like that, I have given also Abhayabhav, some examples of Abhayabhav Samasa. You have to skip the Bahubrehi Samasa, okay? No need of this portion. In your example, Bahubrehi Samasa is skipped in your syllabus. Next, Abhayabhav Samasa. Atra nirmaksikam asti. Moksikanam abhavaha, moksika bhavaha, nirmoksika, moksikam abhava, etc. Here the right answer will be moksikanam abhavaha. Next question number 33. Sa anurupam asti. Rupam yugam, yuga rupam, rupasya yugam, rupat yugam. Here the right answer will be Rupasya Yugam Anurupam. Okay. Next you see question number 34. Here Saha Upagramam Gacchati. Gramam Gramasya Samipam Upagramasya Samipam Gramasya. Here the right answer will be Gramasya Samipam. Next, Saha Shaktim Anatikrama Parishramam Karoti. Here the right answer will be Yatha Shakti. Next, the question number 36. Sarvesam eva mahattang vidyate yatha samayam. Yatha samayam in Tatpurush Samasa will be, in the Abhayabhav Samasa, samayam anatikramma. Next you see Danda Samas, already we have discussed in detail. Rama Lakshmana Vanam Gacchataha. Here the cha word will become Ramaha cha Lakshmanaha cha Rama Lakshmano. It will be the right answer among the four options. Next, Vyavaharena Dusha Gunaha Bhavanti. Here Dusha Gunaha word in will be Dushaha cha Gunaha cha Dusha Gunaha. Next question, Mata Pitaro Pujonyaha Bhavanti. Right answer will be Mata sa Pita sa. Mata Pitaro. Last one, Aham Parvati Parameshwaro Vande. The word Parvati Parameshwara in Vigraha Vakya will be Parvati hi sa Parameshwara sa Parvati Parameshwaro. These are the examples of Danda Samasa. Students, here in PDF file I have also given you some other more examples. You try to write them yourself. I have not given the answer of that question. That question are completely CBSE exam based and followed the question paper of earlier exam. earlier final exam. Okay, try to write them yourself. If you found any problem, you can ask me in my WhatsApp number or message or call me. Okay, thank you.